got your back for life, and you should know I can carry the load. Now I can see us growing gray and old, walking slow 60 years down the road. With the graces of God to keep us alive, we could beat the odds and survive with our eyelids open wide. Now what I wouldn't do to put a kiss on you at the end of the day and whisper in your ear and say goodnight. I could only wish to be so blessed to put my love into the test. Unlike the rest, you're one of a kind. My mind recognizes, no, I can't stay silent. I see someone special for real, and your appeal is not just sexual. Although you hold your own and that's cool, all I wanna do is bring out the best in you, ready, boo. Falling cause I feel like we fit like a glove. Practical and in a place of peace. Independent, please accept my open heart. Filled with my love to you, I send it. Reminisce and think about the first time that we kissed. I picked you up, but before we could dip, we pressed our lips together soft. Careful not to take off your lip gloss. Next we hit the club and got it cracking. We took a seat, you had a drink, we caught the beat and then we got to dancing. We sweating and we panting, interacting and romancing. We gasping and we laughing. You're the topic of my rapping, cause I wanna see you clapping. You're the apple of my eye, something like my firefly. Got me all preoccupied, wanna cut you like a samurai. Amplify my war cry, yelling out banzai. Okay, what can I say? You take my breath away. I'm pounding on my lung and my heart is beating like a bass drum. You are the one that I adore. I wish to love you for who you are and not what I need you for. Like I told you, I'ma stay true. You gotta teach them how to treat you when the real will keep you.